Don't do that.
Eyes on the road.
You're making me look. It's not my fault.
Careful, gang. If we damage one of these wheels, it's
How much
expensive.
these wheels cost?
$300.
A piece?
Yes.
Isn't that like average for a car? I think if the case doesn't get dropped, I know, I'll drive the car more. So much easier.
This is easier.
Why? Because it's taller?
Yeah. Sharp. I like truck than car.
Yeah. I like motorcycle.
Jeez, no, please. Stop. Go. Careful.
Going left here?
Yes.
Now we're gonna come back this way too?
Hmm?
Are we gonna come back this way too?
Do you want to go to Walmart?
Jeez.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, then like right.
Why not? Wait for that guy.
Now move your head all the way in.
After that guy. Okay, well I probably could, yeah, I could have gone.
That's okay. Take your time.
It's upside down.
Sharp. Careful. Ah,
What did I hit?
curb.
Oh, a little curb. It's not my fault. That's like a little pothole right there.
No, it's not idle.
Yeah.
Ikaw ang nag-drive, you're responsible for it. Can't
I
blame
can't
the
see it.
curb. That's the way.
They need to make this car like invisible, you know, like transparent thingies.
Slow down. Okay. Taro nga kay maabot ta dito sa fire station.
What's a fire station?
Yes.
I didn't even know that.
So, careful your wheels inside yellow and white. Hinay lang. the yellow gani, it means prepare to stop. Because the next one yellow is red. Don't run the red light. Remember the sharp. See that curve right there?
I know.
You have to take the first lane. Okay, it's time. Okay, good.
Hey, there's another truck behind us. Look at that. Buddies.
Yeah. Go to Walmart. Okay. Okay. You can come out. Here. Straight lang na. Straight.
Now, after coming back, which way do you want to go? The other Walmart and then right?
Mm-hmm. See the stop sign?
Yeah, I
You
know.
have to stop straight. And you, right here. Then look left and right. Okay, you're safe. Signal.
Furniture Expo.
Can be careful. You move gamay. You have to move a little bit. Okay. Slow down.
That's fine. Who's that good at moving?
Cellophane. Smart idea.
What?
Smart idea.
Yeah.
Wala siya payong di cellophane.
I'm gonna need to, what is it? Pull my seat up a little bit forward. Safe to make it right here, right?
Yeah, but we'll just wait. Save to those. Okay. Can go this way. Okay, again. Sharp. Okay. Try 20.
20? It's too slow.
Oh, how much you got?
It's 45, yeah.
Let's mag. You have to slow down the real okay curb.
Yeah, I know.
Natulog man siguro ang baby.
You just say?
I don't know. Banda. Don't look.
I know. to after?
Yeah, just go straight. To the Walmart in Asa.
So many signs, jeez.
Huh?
Santos. They really want him to get elected.
Slow down.
Middle schooler. Oh, that means Nathan's getting home right now.
Look at the traffic.
My car's backing up right
Okay, just wait.
Yeah.
Just- Okay. Dito. Oh. Just ikot lang yung just follow this
Yeah, I know.
right there.
You can make it over.
Okay. Sunod anong ram. Sa ito. Okay. It's 45. You can do 40.
Dang, this thing goes to 140?
Huh?
This truck goes to 140?
Yeah, they run very fast.
Have you ever been that fast?
No, only 100.
Oh, really? Only 100? Sucks.
Yung madakpan kong pulis.
Jeez, come on.
Eyes on the road. It's not bad for first time. The truck. Okay. So make circle ta dito sa Walmart.
And we go home.
Mhm.
I can make it right here. Safe.
Yeah. As long as green, you can go make right. Careful with the curb. Ako'y kwarta palit ang ligid nak. Hope you're real close to the curb.
Anything. It's fine.
No, you don't want to keep hitting
Yeah, I
curb.
know. I didn't hit anything.
You did.
I did? Are you sure? See, there's always a drop there.
Okay, this way. Second Walmart. Malayo sa curb nakbe.
Yeah, I know. I overturned a little too much. That's my bad.
Yes. You need two hand.
I
Hand
did.
to hand, not just one hand.
I did.
Okay. Stop. Stop idle. Remember, I don't have any emergency brake that I can push.
Oh, the thing that you had in the car? That, like,
Yeah, the car have emergency brake for me to push. Kini wala. You have to thing. Sa left side mo.
Neighbors will be like, what the heck? Just a little kid driving.
Okay, tarong parking.
I know.
Ano?
What?
Saan man ako paggawa sa
Oh,
jeep?
Jesus.
I have to reverse.
That's fine.
No more.
That's fine.
Wala lagi kaabot imong lubot lagi.
What?
No. You're still
Oh, jeez, man.
blocking the
So
driveway.
stupid.
No, it's not. Go all the way down so makita nimo sa ka mag-park. Okay, you have to reverse all the way down. Nobody's. Okay. See this?
Yeah, I know.
Katong na stick na green, you have to use that one as your guide in the mults.
Yeah, okay.
More.
There we go. There we go.
Okay.
Yay!
Wait. High five.
Boom!
Ow, sakit pa eh. You have to turn up this
Oh.
thing first bago na mo i-off ang car.